everyone, welcome back to Just the iLogs. Today's going to be a Friday vlog with a little bit of shopping on a very rainy Friday morning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to my doctor's appointment. It's about 9:30 in the morning. So sometimes I wake up in the morning and I feel exhausted, like my breath has been taken away, and even though I slept, I feel exhausted. So it's gotten a little bit better, but I decided to go ahead and follow that up. So it is going to be a sleep study evaluation. This is just going to be the first parts. I'm not going to be doing any studies today, just a doctor's appointment. I also have to do some cooking today. I have to do some editing. It is a Friday. I haven't been doing a lot of shopping because I do have some groceries in my freezer and in my refrigerator. So I'm going to take you along with me today on this rainy day and just see what I can accomplish today. So I just came back from the doctor and I actually I saw two doctor appointments. One was scheduled and one was incidental because the cardiologist was there. So what I did was I saw the sleep study doctor, and I'm just trying to get evaluated because sometimes I do wake up kind of like gasping for breath, which hasn't happened recently. And I was told by an anesthesiologist that I have sleep apnea. So I'm going to get that checked out, and I can either get a test at home or I can get it here. So depending on what my insurance says, so we'll find out later. And then the cardiologist I had to see because yesterday I did an EKG with my medical doctor and they saw some changes. I do have high blood pressure. It runs in the family. I also work night shift, so it's bound to happen. So as a good patient and also as a good thing for myself, because I do need to get myself checked out and get healthy or stay healthy, I went to see the cardiologist. So we're going to do an echo. We're going to do a stress test. We're going to do some vein mapping because I do got some swelling in my legs, which is a long time for me. So yeah, finally I am taking care of myself and taking care of my health. And I hope you guys do that as well. So health is wealth, as everybody knows. And this is one of the many stops that I need to see. I do need to see other specialists, which I'll get to once this is taken care of. But anyway, today's Friday. It's about 11:30 now. I haven't eaten, so it's kind of like a fast because I've been eating like a pig for the past few days. And I just need a little bit of like bowel rest. So I'm gonna head home now. I'm gonna see what I have in my freezer. I'm gonna see what I can cook for dinner, because usually I go to Costco on Fridays or somewhere like a grocery store on Friday and just get a few things. But I'm kind of lazy right now and I need to edit a lot. And I'm really trying to get my videos out. I film more than I can edit, so I need to work on that. So yeah, let me go home. Let me see what I can eat for breakfast and then what I can cook for dinner tonight. I have these 4 gyozas or 4 dumplings that I fried up early this morning for my daughter's breakfast and her lunch. And this is the leftover. So I'm going to have this to eat, and I'm still going to be hungry after this. So I really don't know what else I'm going to find in my refrigerator. I found this in this magazine from the Dollar Tree called Thanksgiving in a Pot that I would like to try out. But I don't have these turkey sausages. It could be chicken sausage. So I might have to go out and get some of the ingredients. I know it's not Thanksgiving yet, but it is getting there and I'm getting in the mood for Thanksgiving. So it's kind of like a one pot like Thanksgiving dinner. And it has the crusty bread or the little croutons. It has turkey sausage, but you can use chicken, onion, celery, potato. It also asks for ground turkey, so I guess 2 different kinds of prepared meats, cranberries, and some chicken stock. If you guys are wondering how the front of the magazine looks like, this is it. So I felt like I just exercised because I cleaned this kitchen. I mean, I really deep cleaned this kitchen. I cleaned the counters, I cleaned the floors, I cleaned the table, I cleaned the wall, clean around the stove, clean in the sink, the dishes, everything. And I even cleaned my little small bathroom there and I sanitized it good. And then I brought the dirty clothes. Actually, no, I brought the clean clothes upstairs. I even organized my jackets that was hanging by the closet because there was like 1,000,001 jackets, especially my husband's. So I'm really, really tired. You can see I'm sweating already. It's about 3 o'clock now and I gotta go get my little one. And then after that, we're gonna get some dinner. I do really wanna cook that Thanksgiving in a pot. So I have to pick up the ingredients for it. Okay guys, we're in Shopper right now and I have Catherine with me. My mom's also here, but she's shopping. And I want to make that Thanksgiving in a pot. So I'm gonna be a little bit lazy. I'm not gonna make my own croutons, but since when I ever made my croutons. Anyway, so I'm going to get the Bowl and Basket seasoned croutons, and this is the restaurant style. I'm gonna get 2 bags. I do have the ingredient list with me, but I usually make more than what it says. Found the ground turkey, and it calls for 1 pound of ground turkey and 1 pound of turkey sausage. So this is the ground turkey. It's $5.49 for this package, which is not bad. And then in my cart, I also have steak. My husband called me and requested for steak. He's gonna cook that tomorrow because I told him I'm gonna cook the Thanksgiving in a pot. So this is kind of pricey. This is $5.99 pound, and 1 package is like almost $13. We have 3 of them, and that's my husband's request. So it is payday. That is his treat, and we don't cook this often. Maybe I would say once every other month. And then I have this big 2-pound bag of shrimp. This is easy peel large raw shrimp. There's 31 to 40 pounds in here, and it's $10. So this is on sale. I'm saving $2 in this bag, and so when I need a recipe that calls for shrimp, I have it on hand. Found the sausages, and according to the recipe, it doesn't have to be turkey sausage, though they do have turkey kielbasa. So I'm gonna choose one of these that I'm going to be using. There's lots of choices. And it did say something about like andalou sausage, which is the one that I'm familiar with at Costco, but I'm not Costco today. I was gonna go to Costco, but because I lost my umbrella at the doctor's office, I went back there, and it's just closer to the doctor's office. Let's see, beef sausage I can use. Okay, turkey sausage says half the fat, but honestly, I like fat. Okay, let's just get this one. We'll get the Black Bear Turkey Polska Kielbasa. You only need 1 pound, but I'm gonna get 2. Because my kids like to eat meat, and I don't think that one little package is going to be enough. My daughter wants this cheese salsa, but this jar is ginormous. Like the other jars are like, what is it, 15 ounces? This one's 23 ounces. But I'm going to treat my daughter today. Yay. She has the chips already in there, so I hope you're going to finish it.
You ate all the nacho dip.
Well, it was a small little bit, Kay. Yeah, truth be known, I did eat the cheese dip that my son brought the other day because it was so good. It was on the table, no one else was eating it, the chips was gone. I gotta say, I gotta confess, I did eat it. Here's our cart. We have the turkey, we have the ground turkey, we have the shrimp that I mentioned that was on sale, the 3 steaks that my husband wants, my daughter's Tostitos, the sauce. We also have hair coloring that I need whenever I'm out of it. I kind of just stock up so when I do need it, it's there. I also have 3 shampoos because we have 3 conditioners at home, and this is on sale. And then my bathroom has some mold and I need to take care of it. We also got a face wash that we're running out of, and then I need some gloves to clean the house some more because our gloves already have a hole in it. Today's October 20 and it's just around the corner from Thanksgiving. I normally like to shop a little early with Thanksgiving because they run out of pineapple juice that I need. The ham, I can get first pick. I can get first pick on turkey. So I would say within the next 2 weeks, I'm going to start doing my Thanksgiving shopping. I might as well make this like a grocery shopping haul because like we spent some time in here. But now we're at the register. We're going to go ahead and purchase this and then head home and cook our Thanksgiving in a pot. Before I start my Thanksgiving cooking, I thought I would just sit down and do a little computer work. I like to see how my video is doing, especially since I posted a video yesterday. It's about level 8 and I'm promoting the level 8 luggages that level 8 has sent me. So if you guys haven't checked that out, please check it out. And if you are interested in them, please use my link within the video. I really would like for you to click, subscribe, like, and let me know how I did. Sorry, I forgot I'm wearing my tank top just because it was raining outside and I was just like kind of like wanting to take off my sweater already. And so yeah, that's why I'm in my tank top. Anyway, the doctor did call me while I was at ShopRite. She says that looking at my blood work, I was a little dehydrated, but at the same time, you know, I'm not supposed to eat or drink anything. And so I'm gonna try to replenish my fluids with a little bit of this. This is just basically water with a touch of juice. And that's pretty much it. It's been a while now, and I actually did make the Thanksgiving in a pot, or I would say in a pan, because I didn't bake it. So I had a difficult time like understanding the way it was cooked. It wanted me to saute the vegetables and the meat, but then put the sausage and the breadcrumbs and soak it and then bake it all together, which by the time I cooked the vegetables, it was already soggy. So this is how it turned out. Here's dinner. We have the sliced turkey sausage. We also have the ground turkey. We have sweet potato. We have breadcrumbs. We have celery, parsley, onion, and garlic. Oh, and then we have the goji berries because I forgot the cranberries at the store today. And so, yeah, it does taste like a Thanksgiving stuffing. I would like this, I would say, a little bit hotter when I cooked it, but because I had part of the food cold because it was supposed to go back into the oven, I just mixed everything together and called it a night. This is behind the scenes of my videos when I cook. Everything turns a mess. I have the clean dishes there, but my sink is full. I have stuff on my counter and I have chairs in the dining room. Just real stuff because my kitchen is tiny. I have to kind of like push things away. But it's about 9:30 now. I'm gonna just take a shower and get cleaned up for the night. I feel kind of gross from all the cooking and cleaning. I'm gonna drink some watered down apple cider because I don't like to drink anything too sweet. And this is the one that we got from the apple picking farm that we went to like a couple of weeks ago. I have all these clothes I need to put away. That's on top of my bed in my room before I sleep tonight. And that's gonna take me like maybe a good half an hour or so, just trying to distribute all the clothes from all my kids. My son just got home from work. My daughter's doing her hair. She paused her hair dryer for me so I can film a little bit more. My husband paused the TV, so things get a little bit quiet when they know I'm filming, at least some of the time. And then I did post that level 8 video, the review that we did when we went to Boston with the 2 carry-ons. And then today, the 3rd luggage of the Luminous set arrived today. So I'm going to be filming another video. I prefer it to be like us going somewhere and then filming it, but it might just have to be at the house so I can get it done. If you guys haven't checked that out, please check it out and use my link if you're interested in purchasing or even checking it out itself. One more thing before I clean up for the night, but we're watching this really funny horror movie. It's called Totally Killer, and it's about this girl who goes back in the past trying to find the killer of her, I think her mom and the friends. But it's just really set back in the 1980s. You just gotta watch it. I can't really describe it. But anyway, this is what we're gonna watch for tonight on a Friday night. And yes, I'm off tonight. So anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Have a good night. Bye. It took me almost 2 hours to film Thanksgiving in a pot. And because I didn't like the end product, I did have to refilm the whole entire thing on another day. You will see that video separately from a vlog video, but I had to like just redo everything, and I did it in a smaller portion. So hopefully that's gonna get posted in the beginning of November. But I don't want to totally waste the footage, so let me just show you a few clips of what I did that day. And again, this is a double batch, so the next video will not be so overwhelming with the Thanksgiving pot. It will be for a smaller sized family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.